Jetzt ist still nur mein Herz, was bängt und erschien. Dann zieht mich zu dir, Geliebter, Kind zu mir, wie die Nacht in ihr Pracht, wo's der Mond mich ewig findet. Tief wie die Nacht ist mein Liebe zu dir, Geliebter mein, zu sein mit dir. Das ist alles, was ich begehre. Ich sitz in Tracht, zu das Glück wird mit uns auf ewig sein. Verlier ich dich, hat das Leben gar kein Wert. Wie die Sinn in die Levone, wie die Sterne, was beleucht die Nacht. Also schön ist mein Matone, nur von Himmel hat das Gott zu mir gebracht. Megals geschehen, mega viele jetzt die Welt untergehen. Mein Liebe wird ewig sein, tief wie die Nacht. Wie die Sinn in die Levone, wie die Sterne, wo's beleucht die Nacht. Also schön ist mein Matone, nur von Himmel hat das Gott zu mir gebracht. Megals geschehen, mega viele jetzt die Welt untergehen. Mein Liebe wird ewig sein, tief wie die
Okay. Let's start. Janet, will you start reading the English, please?
We have heard Judy Bressler sing a number of songs with the Klezmer Conservatory Band, including Mazel Paparosen, the guests Nick Mitnit, and Vysotsky's Tie.
Yes.
Oh, T. Here she sings Tief wie die Nacht, Deep as the Night, from the 2003 album A Taste of Paradise. It was originally written by Abe Elstein for the film A Brevele der Mamen, A Little Letter to Mom, and has also been performed by Molly Picone and Seymour Reichside.
Okay, thank you. Elaine, will you start reading the Yiddish, please? You're muted. I think.
Yeah, I unmuted. I can do it. I'll try. But this part of what we got mailed to emailed to us?
No.
Oh, okay. All right. Wenn die Nacht kommt zu gehen, when the night comes, und
Mhm.
ich bleib dann allein, and I remain here alone. Als ist still, nur mein Herz bangt on Ashur. Everything is quiet, only my heart bangs without
Longs.
longs without end.
Yes.
Okay.
Mhm.
Dan zieht mich zu dir, Geliebter kommt zu mir. I sit.
It draws me to you. It draws me.
Okay. I'm drawn to you, my beloved, come to me. Wie die Nacht in ihr Pracht, was der Mond mich ewig von dir. Okay, like the night in your, what's Pracht?
Beauty.
With
To
its
think.
beauty, the night with its beauty.
With its beauty, that der Mond,
Reminds.
that reminds me forever of you.
Good.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Maurice, you have to add anything?
No, it's good.
Thank you. Thank you, Eileen.
Thank you.
Cookie, read.
Yeah. Tiffy die Nacht is mein Liebe zu dir, geliebte mein. As deep as the night is my love for you, my beloved. Sein mit dir, das is alles, was ich begehr. Just to be with you is all that I long for. I'm not sure exactly what begehr means literally, but longs for you or desires. Ich sitz und tracht sie das Glück wird mit uns auf ewig sein. I sit and think, will we forever have this joy? Verlier ich dir, if God forbid I lost you, hat das Leben Gott kein Wert. My life would have no worth if I lost you. How's
Oh.
that, guys? For somebody who couldn't read a word of Yiddish. Thank you all so much, really.
Okay, good, Cookie.
Good? Good.
Good. Okay. Neely, can you read? Maurice will help you translate. Can you read, Neely?
Verlier ich dich. Oh, you hear me?
Yes, we do.
Ja. Verlier ich dich, hat das Leben go kein Wort. אני לא יודעת לפרש את זה, שהמומחים יתרגמו.
It's the
But
wrong
you're
Something's
not
wrong
on
with the
the right.
picture
Something
or
is wrong. Yeah, you are not on the right.
מינה,
Oh,
Neely, you are not on the right side. את רואה את do you see the screen?
וידיש,
It's the next page, wie die Sonne und die Levune.
wie die Sonne und die Levune, wie die Sterne, was beleuchtet die Nacht. Also schön ist mein Matone, nur von Himmel hat das Geld zu
Good.
mir gebracht. אז איפה המתרגמים?
Okay, no, finish it and then Maurice will
Okay.
translate.
Meg als geschehen, Meg אפילו jetzt die Wort unterregen.
Untergehen.
מה?
Untergehen.
Untergehen.
Good.
I'm
Yeah.
sorry. mein Liebe wird ewig sein, tief wie die Nacht. Wie
Okay.
die Nacht.
Wie die Nacht. Okay, now Maurice will translate it for us.
Okay, wie die Sonne und die Levune, it's like the sun and the moon. Wie die Sterne, was beleicht die Nacht, like the stars that light up the night. Azoi Shane is my Matuna. That's how beautiful my gift is. No von Himmel hat das Gott zu mir gebracht. But God has sent me this present from heaven. Meg alles geschehen, meg viele jetzt die Welt untergehen. No matter what happens, let the world go to hell. Mein Liebe wird ewig sein, tief wie die Nacht. My love will be as deep as the night.
Okay,
Very good.
so this is the same?
Can I
No.
ask, Adic? I'm not sure. It sounds like Adic. I wasn't following it exactly.
Hey, because
I-
always,
Always.
Is what?
Always.
Always.
always, Abig.
Thank you.
Sure.
What is sein tief wie die Nacht? Tief. מה זה
Deep as the night.
Deep as the night. Bonnie, can you read it? We already translate it, but can you just read it?
Sure.
Before it, I see that Steve raised his hand. Steve.
Nacht is night, but what is tief?
Amok.
Deep.
Deep.
Amok.
Yeah. Okay. So
Thank
before
you.
you read Bonnie, Steve.
Walt Untergain, Maurice, is would go under, would go. That's
Yeah.
what you mean by go to hell?
Yeah, it would.
Can you
Let the
can it
world
also
be
mean
destroyed, let the world go to hell.
right?
Keep
So
again, go
to
down.
go
The
under.
world goes,
But can you
the
all?
world
Can I
goes
finish,
under.
Cookie, please? I'm just wondering, how would you say the word undergo? Like we are undergoing a difficult time. Would it be the same
something
way?
else. I'd have to think about that. Yeah,
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay, thank you.
Sure.
Gate Ipper.
Okay, so Bonnie, just read it. Maurice already translated for us, but just
Oh,
read.
okay. Wie die Sonne und die Lebane, wie die Sterne, was leucht die Nacht. So schön is mein Matana, nur gun Himmel,
Phone.
It's a
Oh,
fate.
oh, Lord. Nur von Himmel hat das Gott zu mir gebracht. Gebracht. Okay, that makes sense. Meg azoi geschehen.
Meg als geschehen.
Meg als geschehen. Meg fillen jetzt die Welt untergehen. Mein Liebe wird ewig sein, tief wie die Nacht.
Good.
Good.
Good. Okay.
So it's the same paragraph that I read.
Exactly. So it was already translated by Maurice, but I wanted Bonnie to read it
Okay.
just as practice.
Sure.
Okay.
Thank you.
Good.
So
Sorry.
just, sometimes we just practice reading.
Yes, sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, so just let's listen to it once again because it's a really, really pretty song. So let's just listen to it.
Wenn die Nacht kommt zu gehen, und ich bleib dann allein, als ist still nur mein Herz bitter kommt zu mir, wie die Nacht in ihr Pracht, wo's der Mond mich ewig findet. Tief wie die Nacht ist mein Liebe zu dir, geliebter mein, zu sein mit dir. Das ist alles, was ich begehre. Ich sitz in Tracht, so das Glück wird mit uns auf ewig sein. Verlier ich dich, hat das Leben gar kein Wert, wie die Sinn in die Levone, wie die Stern, was beleucht die Nacht. Also schön ist mein Matone, nur von Himmel hat das Gott zu mir gebracht. Megals geschehen, mega viele jetzt die Welt untergehen. Mein Liebe wird ewig sein, tief wie die Nacht. Wie die Sinn in die Levone, wie die Sterne, wo's beleucht die Nacht. Also schön ist mein Matone, nur von Himmel hat das Gott zu mir gebracht. Megals geschehen, mega viele jetzt die Welt untergehen. Mein Liebe wird ewig sein, tief wie die
Okay, I see that Marsha and then Elaine. Marsha?
The last word in the third line, it should be matana, right?
Yes, it is Matune. Yes.
Because she said something else. So I think she said metochte, but okay, whatever.
Okay. Okay. Elaine? You're muted.
What does Don mean?
Then,
Then, okay.
then.
Oh, like it's really almost a cognate.
Right,
Den,
probably
dot,
is,
den.
right.
Okay, thank you.
Bonnie,
What was
Bonnie,
that question?
what is
Done.
done? Bonnie?
Yeah, the last line, sein Tiff.
Yeah.
The-
Sein. Mhm.
And what's this Tiff?
Tief, deep,
Deep.
Teeth.
Deep.
deep wie die Nacht.
Oh, need.
No.
Deep,
No.
No. Deep.
Deep,
D-double-E-E-P.
deep.
deep.
Deep. Okay, more questions? Okay. Just a moment.
Mina,
Okay, I stopped the sharing. Yes, Maurice.
I just wanted to, I don't know if anybody else noticed it, but you know, we've had a song in years past, Schein wie die Levune, lechtet wie die Sterne, von
Mhm.
Himmel Amatune bist du zu mir geschickt. It's the
Mhm.
exact same concept that the object of the person's love was sent by God, by heaven. It's the same. It might have been the same Abe Elstein, who wrote hundreds of songs. Might have been him just using it in both songs. I'm not sure.
Okay, thank you. Any more questions or comments about the song?
Pure
Before me-
schmaltz.
Sorry, Bob?
Schmaltz. Very schmaltzy.
Yeah,
Very
okay.
schmaltzy, yeah. Very schmaltzy, right.
A very romantic share.
Yeah.
It was gorgeous. And
Yeah.
the way she sang it with her timing was just magnificent.
Yes,
Yeah.
Judy Bressler, she's terrific.
Yeah. Okay, so let's move back to Mexico and the new immigrants, the green immigrants that are coming, and the first impression of them. So we are in the last page. We are on the last page, page 24.
I think we were at the first paragraph here.
That is it, yes. So, and is describing a girl that came on the boat with all the immigrants and is describing her now. So, Michael, will you continue? Will you start reading it? Read.
Okay, sure. Retivrit via Wasser speaks very fluent like water, Hebrew, and Emerson's Nuistica Shulamis, truly modest Shulamis.
Can you use the cursor, Nina?
It's not
It's
me.
me, and I can't always follow it.
Yeah, it's
I'll-
difficult. Mariv is doing it for me because I'm
I'll
not
try.
I'm not using my own computer, so there is a problem. So Mariv,
Okay.
I volunteered Mariv to do. So guys, why a Shulamit? Does
So,
someone know?
I'm sure if someone could read maybe a little slower, so Mariv could use the cursor and then help us follow.
It doesn't need to be slower. I just wasn't paying attention for a minute.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Guys, does anyone know why a Shulamit?
No.
Rafael is not with us today, so okay, I will check it for next time. Why a Shulamit? No, Maurice, do you know?
No idea.
No idea. Okay.
But Mina, I
Yeah.
will say that the word snoo is dike, you know, chaste, modest. The very first time I learned the word snoo was from that song. How does it go?
Havai v'le atzniya.
Atzniya,
Uh-huh.
kusha mitzia.
Mitzia.
And I learned that word from that song. Tzniya, snoo is dike, modest, chaste, pure, etc., etc.
Yeah.
And
I will check.
Shulamit would be Shulamis in Yiddish, Shulamis.
Yeah, but why?
And so which word is the modest?
Snoo, you see, snoo is dike, it's the adjective form.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
Is that
Havai
the
v'le
same word
atzniya-
as ambassador? Shalamis?
No.
No, okay.
Okay, Michael, continue, please.
Okay.
Yeah, can we translate that first line?
Yeah, Michael, please translate it.
Okay. Retivrit, she speaks Hebrew, and they repeat it with a Yiddish spelling, Ivrit, which is via Wasser. So Ivrit and Ivrit are said there twice. Via Wasser, like water, very fluently. And Emerson's Nuistica Shulamis, a truly modest Shulamit, and we've agreed nobody knows why.
Yeah.
Ja. Wenn etliche Bocherim haben mir gegeben a chaverische Eiza, when a few young men gave her comradely advice, sie soll sich opscheren die Zep. She should cut down her braids und machen sich permanenter and give herself a permanent, whatever that is, hairdo. Sich auszucken die Bremen wie schmaler halber Venus. She should pluck out the eyebrows like small half moons. Farben sich die Lippen, put lipstick on her lips, paint her lips, und machen sich manicure and obviously do a manicure. Und ob sie will kommen in Gesellschaft, and if she wants to come into company, muss sie modernisieren ihre Kleider. She will have to modernize her clothes.
Okay, so just a moment, Michael, stop, because my husband checked, and Shulamit is from the Song of Songs, from Shir HaShirim.
Oh,
She appears in the Song of Songs, the Shulamit. Yeah, and she is, you know,
כל הזמן.
sorry?
משהו בחיים.
So she's a figure in the Song of Songs. Okay? So, oh, there is a picture.
אוי,
Can you see what I'm?
No.
no, you have to put it. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yes.
You see, she's not at all צנועה דיקאיר. Okay. Okay. Michael, go on.
Okay. Hat die grüne Litwatschka kategorisch erklärt, so the greenhorn Lithuanian woman categorically announced, als das wird man bei ihr nicht ausführen. They will not manage to carry that out of her. Sie ist auf viele Grade zurückzufahren in Lita. She's even prepared to return to Lithuania.
Okay,
Not,
go on, finish it, finich the story.
not nicht kosher, but not so bad. Nicht sich was zu schrecken. No need to be frightened or alarmed. Wir wollen die grüne Intelligente nicht losen, wegfahren von uns. We will not allow the greenhorns to leave us. Sie mega viele trugen ihre lange schwarze Zepp und dabren loschen Kodesh. She may even she may continue to wear her long black braids and speak Hebrew, the holy language. Wir dürfen da bei uns grüne Intelligentes. We really need greenhorn intellectuals, yeah. Noch etliche Setzers mit noch etliche Shomer Shabbatiten. Some more, these are the some part of the printing trade, a Setzer. I think they put the
Typesetter.
Typesetters, a few typesetters with a few people who observe, Jews who observe Shabbat, Sabbath, mit großer Bart with long beards. Noch etliche Journalisten mit moderner Rebbitzins, another bunch of journalists with modern rabbis' wives. Noch etliche, I think that is sarcastic, noch etliche Redakteuren mit sneersticke Mädels, another few editors with modest young women, noch etliche Ingenieuren, another bunch of engineers, chemists, Redner, speechifiers, mit Referenten with lectures, und unser Yishuv is gerativet and our settlement is saved. Noch etliche Schiffen mit solcher Oysterwelt, a few more ships with such chosen intelligente, intellectuals, greenhorns, und Mexiko wird werden ein neuer geistiger Center von geplockten und geräuterten irdischen Volk. A few more of these, and Mexico will become a new spiritual center for the persecuted Jewish people.
Hi, I'm in a class right now. Can I call you back?
Wir dürfen noch greener. We need,
Guys, if you're talking, mute yourself.
wir dürfen noch greener. We need more greenhorns. Can I just mention that from South Africa,
Okay, don't scroll, because I have a question when he's done.
Yes, okay, but first,
I'm
Michael.
done.
Michael, but you wanted to mention something.
I just wanted to mention something coming from South Africa. It was the exact opposite there. They wouldn't allow Jews in. It was a very nationalist government, but they made exceptions, the exact opposite of Mexico. If you were a religious functionary, a Klei Kodesh, someone who works for the synagogue, they would let you in. So my dad was very fortunate. The people took him in as a shamus in the local shul. He was a double greenhorn. He didn't have the English language, and he was a Basaraba, and he didn't have the Litvischer Yiddish. So it was a tough time for the greenhorns.
Yeah, everywhere, it's always, yeah. Thank you, Michael, thank you. Eileen?
Yeah, my computer froze when after he translated and painted her lips,
Okay.
and got a manicure. And could you do the last sentence? My computer just froze. And can you do that last sentence on Oibsiville kommen in?
If she wants to, yeah, okay, yeah, Michael, please.
Und ob sie will kommen in Gesellschaft, if she wants to come into society, muss sie modernisieren ihre Kleider. She will have to modernize her clothes.
It was Gesellschaft that I didn't know. Okay, thank you.
Okay, so we finished the story. So Marif, can you stop the share?
Yeah, I have to stop the share and start a new one.
Any comments, any questions before we move to the other Mexicanish story?
Mina,
Yes,
I
Maurice.
just wanted to point out that, as they're making fun of her ways, her speech and all that, they use the word Dublin. She can even Dublin Loshen Kodesh. And Dublin it's a sarcastic, they didn't say a redden, but it's making fun. If she wants to babble in Hebrew, fine.
It's like babbling. She just
Right.
wants to babble in
Babble in Hebrew, Dublin.
Well,
It's
yeah,
unusual.
the whole story is sarcastic.
Right.
The whole story is a sarcastic one. Okay, so let's move now to another story about Mexico. Only now those greener are more settled and have the money, and let's see what they think about others. So it's a very funny story, I think, but it's also an edge to it. So let's start.
I think I can make this bigger. Hold on. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. And so in
There's some
Mexicaner-
interesting stuff in the title. I think you found
Yeah.
it.
Mexikaner Gan Eden is the title of the book. And it says, Geschriebene Feuilleton, Chosen Feuilleton, Humoreskes und Monologen in der Malachimstut in Los Angeles. Okay, so it's everything.
Yeah, but this is kind of cute, that second line.
Yeah.
It has some cute stuff in it.
Geschriebene Feuilletons, Humoreskes, and monologues. So we are going to read a monologue.
Can you tell us what that second line means?
It's something like a short story, humorous, and a monologue, something like that. How would you translate it?
I don't know how to translate a feuilleton. A feuilleton is like,
Short
someone
stories.
writing a skits, like a
Short
skit.
stories, yeah.
No, a feuilleton is it's from a French word.
Yes.
for a light
Page.
bit of writing.
Okay.
You know, nothing too serious, but
Mhm.
maybe a little bit of seriousness in there underneath.
So
That's what I'm-
that's a warning what's coming, because it's
And
really
and then
humorous.
Geklibene is a collection?
Yeah, Geklibene collected.
Oh, collected, okay.
Okay.
So feuilletons, humor, and monologues.
Yeah, so there is a book by Alan Astro, and it's called Yiddish South of the Border. And I took it from there. He recommends there. It's there. He translated it into English, but it's in a book. You can find it on Amazon, or some of it you can even read online. I don't remember if this one is online, but you can try and find it. Jente Tinofotsky, maybe he translated it, but I'm not sure that Amazon, sometimes when you enter, you can read parts of the book. So you can try and see if it's part of the book. Okay, so let's start. Susan, please.
Nein, es ist nicht gut zu sein reich. No, it's not good to be rich. Es ist nicht gut zu sein klein.
Time.
Sorry.
Sein kein Gebirte noch dazu a Gewirte. Es ist nicht gut zu sein a Gewirte noch dazu a Gewirte in Mexico. So it's not good to be rich. It's not good to be an upper class lady. And especially in Mexico. Ihr hört, steug nicht. You hear? It's not the thing to do. Wenn man redt mit mir, is aderaba. When you talk to me, it's actually mit a schmeichele, with a little smile. Mit a genifle, with a little charm.
I think
Senora
it's when they talk to me.
Tinifotsky. What would genif?
I think it's when they talk to me, when the people talk.
When
Isn't it?
someone talks to me,
Yeah.
talks to me.
When
Got
people
it,
talk
Susan?
to me,
When someone
למה
talks with
אני
me,
לא רואה שום דבר?
I don't know.
אוי,
Nili
אוי,
says that she doesn't see. Why don't you see? Everyone else
מה
sees the.
קורה לעזאזל?
Everyone sees the
אוי,
computer. Okay, Nili, so it's your problem. Something's there.
Senora Tinifotsky ahin, Senora Tinifotsky aher, Mrs. Tinifotsky here, Mrs. Tinifotsky there, aber unter die Augen, but under the eyes, weh is mir, woe is me. Alle Weiber seien doch mir Mekano. All the women are jealous of me. Bereden mich von alle Seiten. They talk badly about me from all sides. Mir vergint doch mir nicht durch Stickel Brot. They don't even let me have a little piece of bread. Nu lohnt sich zu sein. Lohnt sich zu sein an a Giddiste? Is it worth it to being a fancy lady? Was bin ich schuldig? How is my fault? Als ich bin reich, that I happen to be rich. Und was hab ich von mein ganz aschires Umstehens gesucht? And what do I have of my great riches? Umstehens gesucht. I'm not sure how to translate that. It's an idiom.
Steins.
It's an idiom, but.
So, as if to say, or what would you say? Something like that.
Maurice,
Maybe like so-called.
Oh, okay.
Okay, go on.
Ich verwien sich, ich verwoin, ich verwoin sich Taka
No,
mit der
voin.
aristokratischer Colonia neighborhood, Polanco, that's Polanco in Mexico City. A gross Shane, a gross, it's supposed to be gross?
Has to be a
Gross,
gross.
yeah, gross.
Has to be a gross. I think there is a typo there.
A gross Shane House, a big pretty house. A palaz, a palace. Zog ich euch, I say to you, 12 Zimmern, 12 rooms. Mit a hall, with a hall. Und mit wie heißt das dort? And with what do you call it there? Mit terraza, a terrace. That's a Spanish word, terraza. Und was meint ihr, hab ich von dem, and what do you think I get out of all that? Kopfdrehnisch, my head turned around. Mehr gar nicht, I don't get anything substantial from it.
Go on another.
Ich plunge a room wie a Fremde. I wander around idly like a foreigner von ein Zimmer in dem anderen, from one room to the next. Als ich gib a klung noch a Dienst, if I call for a maid, läuft mir die 4 Diensten, run die 4 maids, in alle Zimmern, in all rooms, bis sie gefunden mich. They run from room to room until they find me.
Okay, thank you, Susan. Rochelle, will you continue?
Yeah, I
I
just
think
wanted to
just-
comment that Inter de Eugen is probably like behind my back.
Oh, yeah, but just before you start reading, I see that Louisa raised her hand. Louisa?
Hi, thank you. I have a question for that word that we had on the 1, 2, 3, 4th line, the last one, mit a hanifle.
Hanifle, להתחנף.
That's it. That's exactly
Yeah,
what I was
but
going
I
to
don't know how to translate it.
It is to flatter or to be a little bit hypocritical.
Yes, exactly.
Which word are you talking about?
מתחנף עליהם, מתשמייך עליהם, מתחנף עליהם.
מתחנפים. That's exactly what I wanted to ask you about.
And מרף מתמיר is אדרבה, מתשמייך עליהם, מתחנף עליהם.
Oh, up here.
So מתשמייך עליהם is with a smile, and החנף עליהם is kind of...
hypocrite,
with charm.
Or flatterer. It's flatterer.
Flattery, with flattery, yeah. Okay, Steve, yes, I saw that you raised your
No,
hand.
it just made me think of this, it's an old Yiddish curse about, may you have a large house with 100 rooms, and may you wander from room to room and never sleep. So I think it's a play on that, Sprichwort.
Definitely.
Okay, so Rochelle, Arum Tisch.
Arum Tisch in Essenzimmer können sitzen 60 Menschen. Around the table in the dining room, you can seat 60 people. Sitze ich in Einseitisch, so I sit on one side of the table. Mein Mann gegenüber mir, my husband across from me. Die Töchter meine in der Mitte. Einseitig, and the daughters on one side of the table.
No, the Tochter meine in der Mitte-Tisch, in the middle.
Oh, in the middle of the, okay. I just lost my place.
Here.
I'm doing it, okay.
Und gegenüber.
Okay, I'll do it. Und
The last line of the paragraph.
Is dos Jingle Minds, and across from her is my young boy. Die Dienst haben on der Langen das Essen. the servants start serving the meal. Darf sie nebach gain arum un arum tish. They nebach
Poor thing.
poor thing. Okay, they have to go around and around the table. Und die Stühlen and the chairs, wie is mir, woe is me. Zu was darf man a solche hohe schwere Stühlen? Why do we need such high, heavy chairs? Men zet doch keinem nicht arois. You can't see anybody. Amol nicht heint gedacht, amol nicht heint gedacht. Once upon a time, it's an idiom. I don't know. I know what it means. Nicht heint gedacht means like it shouldn't happen today.
Right.
Okay,
That's
yeah,
right.
yeah.
Wenn hab allein abgekocht das Teppel mit eingedämpften Stickel Fleisch. When I had to cook in the pot, stewed, a small piece of stewed meat mit a Perl Gräupen
Mhm.
Zup. I don't know what Perl Gräupen is.
Okay.
Pearl barley. Pearl
Oh,
barley.
pearl barley.
Barley.
Okay.
Grissini.
Gräupen soup with pearl barley soup. A klops. A klops is like a
Meatloaf.
canal actually in French.
Meatloaf. A klops is a meatloaf.
A meatloaf. Okay. Allein zerschnitten das Brot. I had to even cut the bread myself. Allein gemacht das Herring mit Zibelis. I had to make the herring with the onions and vinegar mit Essig. Hat das Essen gehabt Toisen Tom. That's when the food had a million good tastes. Und heint and today, soll nicht sündigen mit die Rede. I shouldn't sin with my words. Rabbeinu Shalom, dear God, das Essen hat doch nicht kein Yiddischen Tom. The food doesn't have any Jewish taste. Nu was hab ich von mein Reichkeit? So what do I have from my riches? Von mein Luxus, from my luxury. Von Polak.
That's the
Polaco.
name. That's the name of the place where she is living. The neighborhood.
Neighborhood.
It's a mistake. It's supposed to be Polanco. They forgot the nun.
Okay.
Polanco, where it's a Jewish neighborhood still.
Mhm.
Okay.
There are lots of mistakes here. I can see lots of typos here. So
And maybe she's making a joke that it sounds like Poland.
Yes, that's what I
Maybe.
think.
That's what I
Maybe.
think.
maybe.
Instead of Polanco, making it Polaco,
Yes.
Polandy.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Another sentence.
Okay.
Rochelle.
Wo sind ihr mir mekana? Why do you envy me? Why? Mit meine Kotches.
Is that Kachkas? Is that another
No,
typo?
it's
No,
car.
no.
What is koshes?
Mit meine Brillanten.
It's a coach.
Oh,
It's a
Right.
coach. It's
a
a coach.
coach?
A
It's
what?
a
Oh,
coach.
coach.
A
A
coach
coach.
with a coachman.
Ah, okay,
Oh,
so it's
coaches.
from the,
Okay,
Okay.
mit meine Brillanten with my diamonds. Was hab ich von them? What do I have from all of this?
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Rochelle.
In Mexico, you use the word coche for a car.
For a car. Okay.
Car. So it's a
okay.
car. Coche.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks. Luisa, yes.
Yes, that's exactly what I wanted to say, that coche there is car.
Mhm. Okay, so Luisa, continue. I see you. So it's a shtickle. You see, that's another mistake, another
yes.
typo.
A stickel glick, hertir, a little bit of luck. Do you hear? Was ist noch da mit wem zu machen a poker? That there is that there's someone with whom we can play, or one can play poker. Am I okay?
Yes, yes, sure.
Me darf doch, but I don't know what that would be.
Pattern, decide. You have decide. You have to
Waste.
Waste the time.
להעביר את הזמן, to waste the time.
Pattern maybe.
No,
Pattern.
pattern,
Okay.
to waste.
To waste the time, me kon doch meshuge werden, herumdrehen sich ledig a ganze Tag. So she's saying, well, at least we can find someone to play poker, and then we have to just pass the time. Me kon doch, one can get crazy, meshuge werden, just turning around the whole day. What is ledig?
Eidig. Empty. To be idle. Here.
Be idle all day.
So one can go crazy from nothing to do all day,
It's
right?
hard to be rich.
Schwer zu sein, Aid.
Right. Beim Poker, meint ihr is besser? And by poker, do you mean it's better? Or do you think it's better? How do we translate
So
meint?
you think it's better to be playing poker than doing nothing?
Ihr hebt sich nicht on. It doesn't begin?
It's no way.
No
Like,
way.
It's no way. No
No
way.
way. Okay,
It's
no
not
way.
better with the poker.
Welche Schlepperke spielt denn nicht Hand in Poker? Which Schlepperke doesn't, Schlepperke meaning, how do we translate Schlepperke?
A loser or a good for nothing, right?
Right, low class, right?
Yeah.
Michael, yes? Michael?
It was just saying a tramp.
A tramp, exactly. That's a good one. Which tramp? Yeah.
Okay, welche Schlepperke spielt denn nicht ein in Poker? Which tramp doesn't play poker today? Me weist denn mit wem me geht zum Tisch, mit wem me spielt? Do we know with whom we go to the table or with whom we play? Do you want me to go on?
Yeah, go on the next paragraph, yeah.
Stellt mir a Pokernitze a lange Fischta?
I have no idea. I thought maybe it's Spanish.
Picha. Picha.
What is it?
It's a dish.
Ficha. It's ficha.
Okay, what is it?
Okay, so a lange ficha von 25 pesos. So this is really they're playing poker with those little plastic coins or metal coins that signify money, and they bet with those. So you know, it's like you play at the roulette and you put the features of the roulette on a number.
Okay, a chip.
Chips.
Chip. Those are the features in Spanish.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. So stellt mir a Pokerinse a lange feature. So she puts a big feature von 25 pesos. Leg ich ihre weg on A. So I'm not sure how to translate it. I put this away on an A. Maybe a letter A. I don't know.
Someone knows?
I think it's saying she's betting on something or other.
Right. Aquele dike feature for a 50er. This time it's a feature for a 50, I suppose.
Yes, 50.
So.
Somebody raised to 50.
Yeah.
Right.
It started at 25 and somebody raised it to 50.
Yeah, they're kind of betting while they're playing. Nu, vos mentis, nu, so what do you mean? Haben on fliehen Zekers will ich doch weisen, als ich bin etwas Yente. So Haven on fleeing. So I guess the 50s are flying around. Is
Yes,
that
yes. So people are starting to raise the 50s.
right? Because they seem to have a lot of those features with a lot of money, right?
Yes.
Will ich doch weisen? I'm not sure how to translate that.
Will ich doch weisen.
So I want to
Show.
show, I want to show
as ich bin epes Yente Tinipotski. So I want to show that I am Yente Tinipotski. Stel ich a hunderter. So I want to show that I am Yente Tinipotski. And I put 101. Soll azoi haben Naches von meine Kinder wie a ganzen Hunderter. That would be an expression that I should have Naches from my kinder.
Yes.
From my children wie a ganzen Hund. I wish, I don't know, maybe she means I wish I could have pleasure from my children as I have from.
Maybe like, that I want my children to be proud of me, maybe?
No. I think she should have as much pleasure from her children as she has from betting $100.
That's what I think. That's
okay.
exactly what I was going to say, that I would have as much pleasure from my children as I have from the 100 one.
Okay, thank you, Luisa. Thank you. Okay, Steve, let's.
I open my big mouth, so now I have to read.
You fight with the poker players. I have no
Okay.
idea how to play poker.
Oh, good. Let's play. Okay.
New.
Okay.
Was.
Nu was klärt ihr? What do you say?
What do you
clear
think?
here? What do you
What do
think?
you
Okay.
think?
What do you think?
What do you make of this?
Antwoord men meer hunderter. Answered. This is people answered me. And people answered my 100.
Yes, people.
Put down 100.
Yeah, other people.
So they I forgot the word. They met my 100.
Yes.
Wer meint ihr? And what do I and
What do you think?
and what do I think? What do you think?
No,
What do you
Oh,
think?
and what do you think?
No, Steve. Who do you think? Who put the other 100?
Oh, who do you think? Epis a schlepperke, something of a lazy bones. A big shot. A schlumperke, a schlemiel, a schlump. Was vermogt nicht mein Mist. What is vermogt? I don't even know.
To own, to have, to own.
Okay, who owns?
Doesn't own.
Doesn't own.
Doesn't own anything.
My
No,
garbage.
who doesn't own my garbage? She
My
wants
garbage,
to
okay.
say that the other one that put on 100 is so
Right. He's poor. He's a lazy bones. He's a schlepper.
Yeah.
Okay. Sag ich zu him, sag ich zu ihr, said I to him, Senora, was darf ihr verspielen dos letzten 100? Why do you have to play that last 100?
Lose. Yes. Lose.
Yes.
To lose it. Verspielen. To lose it.
Verspielen is to lose. Okay. Why do you have to lose that last 100? Ihr wird doch nicht haben mit was zu gehen Morgen in Mark Arain. And you won't have anything with which to go to the market in the morning. Was krijgt wat krijgt ihr euch hever abus?
Oves.
Ovis. Eva Ovis.
So that's another expression, which I have to say that I don't know what it means. So maybe one of you can-
Krijgt is to
Crawl.
complain about something, right?
No, no.
Crawl.
Oh, to crawl, okay.
Yes.
Why are you crawling on the graves of the
Forefathers.
Oh, the forefathers, okay.
Yeah, but it
But
means
what does it
something.
mean? Yeah.
What does it mean? That's the thing.
Oh,
What
no.
does it
You're
I
looking
don't
for
Um,
bad luck.
Yeah, it sounds like she's
Like
saying to
making,
the, huh?
why are you shaming your ancestors, something like
No,
that?
maybe why are you playing with your luck, maybe?
I think
Oh,
that, yes.
That's what I
Oh.
think. Yeah. Why are you playing with
while
your
you're
luck?
playing around with your destiny or whatever.
Yeah,
Right,
something
that's it. I
like
think
this.
that's it right there.
Ah,
Why do you want to destroy your life? Or why do you want to crawl in the graves of your ancestors?
Yeah. Okay, I see that
Okay.
Louisa, yes?
Yeah, I think that it's a very sort of ironical piece in which she's thinking to herself, well, what are these people who are basically she's so poor and she's trying to show off by bringing these fichas that have a much higher value, and then tomorrow morning she won't be able to go to the market, and then she will be begging her forefathers on their graves or something. That's the image that I get. But I also think that there's some kind of a irony between the name of Yente, and how she's talking about the schlepperkes.
Why do you think there is?
Because
Louisa?
isn't Yente something with some kind of a negative connotation anyway?
Not necessarily.
Oh, my mother's name was Dina Yenta, and she was the last thing, never was a Yenta, never, just the opposite.
Oh, okay.
I hated that.
Sometimes it does have sometimes it does have a negative connotation, but it's a name.
Telebenta.
Yeah, the
It traditionally, or like in America, in American Yiddish, it's a busybody,
Yeah.
a person who has her nose in everything. I don't think it was like that in Europe. I think it was just, a person who you went to get something done.
I think what we have to keep in mind here is everything that is written, everything she says about herself is sort of tongue in cheek. You know,
Yes.
she's making fun of her own self while she's talking. as
Yeah.
Yes,
well.
that's
Yeah,
right.
also,
Rochelle,
yeah,
yes.
there's a switch there from Senora, which she's called while she's in the mansion, to Yenta, where she wants to fit in with this lower class of people who are playing poker. And I don't know what happens after this, but she keeps raising, the ante, and she's up to $100. And I suspect she feels a little bad that these poor people are trying to match her.
Right.
I'm not sure that she's feeling bad, but
I
she's
don't think she's feeling
Yeah.
bad. I think she's feeling
She's-
superior.
yeah, exactly. She's playing the rich matron. She's playing the rich matron to other people.
You say they have a lot of chutzpah.
Yeah, exactly.
How dare you try to match me? I'm the big rich one.
Yes.
Exactly.
Oh, exactly. That's it. So let's
hilarious. It's so
continue.
hilarious.
It is hilarious.
Yeah.
Okay, David, you are with us. Can you read, David?
Yeah.
Okay.
Antwort sie mir Bays. She answers me,
Angrily.
courteously. Nicht euer Bulbes Deiger. It's not your grandmother's worry. It's none of your business.
Yeah, it's not your business.
Weißt, was ihr hat, Senor Dinapotsky. It shows what
No.
it reveals,
Shows-
I guess, what you have.
Yeah, reveal what you have. Show us the
Yeah,
card.
show us what you have. Yeah. Azah chutzpah. Such chutzpah. Azah schnorke. Like zu mir, azah him. Such a
Beggar.
schnorrer, schnorrer is approaching me in such a way, I guess.
She compares herself, gleich sich zu mir.
Like, yeah, compares herself to me.
But what is
Shem.
hem? Is it a typo, do you think? What is azah hem?
To mir azah him. Such a
Okay, no idea.
no idea. Hunderters. Why is she comparing it herself to me? I have so many 100 peso coins, I guess, the little features.
Yeah.
I have so much. Ich bin Jenta Tinopotski. I am indeed Jenta Tinopotski.
What she means is that she can spend those hundreds of
I see. Yeah, I can do whatever I want. Okay, got it. Yeah. Dank. Nu, kann man nicht zersetzt und zersprungen werden verdross. Nu, one cannot, you can't, out of regret, you can't, because I don't know good words for that, to just jump up and act out of, you can't act out of regret.
No.
You showing?
You can't kind of explode with verdruss, anger,
Take
or
umbrage, like you can't take umbrage.
Oh yeah, can't take, yeah, that's it. You
Okay,
can't,
that's
yeah, you
better.
can't get all, let it blow, yeah, jump up and get all angry out of but yeah. Kann doch showing bald can leitischen Poker nicht pocket. Man, you can't in that way, you can't be playing a proper game of poker that way. Shot. Wo starft ihr besser die Weiber wählen, doch mich der Jugend und Überjugend. Shot. Listen, what do you need? Well, so what do you need or prefer, want? Well, why do the women want to chase after me and go after me? To
And-
what do they prefer?
It's not good to chase me and to überjagen. It's no,
to get ahead of.
To get
Yeah,
ahead
yeah.
of me. Yeah.
Numelt häufig sich Karakulen Mantel for 4,000 pesos. Then I'm gonna buy for myself a Karakul, some type of jacket for 4,000 pesos.
A caracol is some kind of fur. Is some kind of fur.
The word, yeah, from Asia. Aha, ich etliche Tag arum.
Astrakhan.
Aha, Estrachan, yeah.
I suppose it's Astrakhan fur.
Yeah,
Yes.
Astrakhan, yeah. In etliche Tag arum sehe ich schon meine bekannte Trogen Karakulen Mantel. In a few days, I'm going to see everyone, all my friends, acquaintances wearing these karakul, these fancy coats.
Mhm.
Käufig mir a Kappa und 6 Fuchsen. Aha.
A cape.
So I buy
A fox cape.
Fox, yeah, from a cape made from 6 foxes. 6 foxes. Aha, men trokt showing dieselbe Kappas. And then everyone is wearing the same thing.
Okay, thank you, David. So everyone is trying to outbuy her, outdo her. So Bonnie, yes.
What is Bacanta?
Familiar people.
Familiar.
Familiar.
My
but-
familiar.
The people that I know, acquaintances.
Yeah, and then it says Trogan travelers.
No,
Wearing.
To
They're
wear.
wearing the same thing that she wore.
Yeah.
Oh.
She was wearing a fur coat and everyone else was buying a wearing a fur coat. She
Right.
did some cape out of fox hair or something, so everyone did the same.
It also means carry, no?
Yeah.
Yes, but
clothing.
not in this context.
But not in this context, yeah. Bob, do you want to try and read?
Can I say a comment?
Yes,
I
of course.
just, the way, she describes everybody else as those poor people, but actually she's probably competing against other rich people and insulting them by saying they don't have as much as she has.
Yeah.
But these people that also go out and buy these coats and all that, they're not poor. They're the other rich people in the colony that she's competing against. Get it?
Mhm,
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, you are right. Yeah.
Yeah,
Bob, do you want to start with
sure, sure. If Steve didn't fold, I won't fold. In this poker game.
No, down, one sentence down.
Boy.
No, here, David, yeah.
Oh, I'm wrong. Okay.
את לך חודשים, yeah.
Mit etliche, oh, yeah, mit etliche, Kedushin, Tzuruk, with some, some Chodesh.
Months back.
Somewhat?
A few months back.
ago.
A
I think
few
it's
months
several
ago.
months, several
Oh
months
yeah,
before,
Chodesh,
several
yeah,
months back.
yeah, with several months ago, ich is there Shlemazel? Mine is there Shlemazel? Meine gefahren in the Staaten. Several months ago, the Shlemazel, my Shlemazel, went into the town. Hat mir gekauft Sala.
Sala is living room in Spanish.
Living room suite.
Living room furniture, una sala.
Una sala.
Salon, maybe.
He went to the United States to buy the sala.
And the
Went to
Schlemazel
the
meiner,
Staaten, the States.
and the Schlemazel, she means her husband.
Yeah. Astatske. Someone's laughing.
I am. Atzatske sage.
Oh, okay.
Maybe we should mute if you're not talking, so other people can do this.
Azatska says to you.
No, I am saying.
I said
telling
to
you,
you.
it's Atzatske. It's really something,
I say to you, right? I
Yeah,
say
yeah, yeah.
to you,
Yes.
15,000 has pesos, yeah. Asala, 50,000 pesos for the furniture. Eine in Mexico. In Mexico.
Only one in Mexico. One. The one and only in Mexico.
Eine. Yeah. The one and only in Mexico. In was meant ihr? And what do you mean? Is it etliche Wochen herum? Aha. And what do you mean in
What do you
some-
think? I think.
Yeah, what do you think in some and I know the word.
Some.
Weeks.
Yeah, in some way. In some weeks from now. Treff ich bei meine bekommt dieselbe Sala. And aha, the people who know me are doing the same thing, I guess.
Yeah,
They're buying the same furniture before, yeah.
Exactly. And another sentence.
Ja. Nu kan man halten, so, can anyone stop them?
No, Oishalten is not stop. It's
Door.
Can you bear this?
Endure.
Endure, bear, right?
Can you stand it? Yeah.
Right.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Bob. I see some people raise their answer. We will start with Bonnie. Bonnie?
Okay, so I've heard Schlemiel, Schlemazel, is I mean, I've heard it. It means kind of like a jerk or kind of a nothing. But is there a literal translation for Schlemazel?
Yeah, it's bad luck.
Yeah,
What is it?
Bad
Schlemazel
luck.
is bad luck.
Schlemazel has no luck.
Oh, no luck.
Schlemazel is the one that gets the tea dumped on him.
It's like an unfortunate person.
Yeah, but it sounds to me as if this woman is rich but kind of low class. I mean, it's language that I'm used to hearing. It isn't exactly
It's
elegant.
new rich.
Yeah. I mean, who is she? She has money, but she sounds like very common.
No,
But I don't know if I'm interpreting it correctly.
Yeah, yes, you do. Yes, you
I'm
do.
shocked.
Yeah, you're shocked, Maurice.
Minna, if you let me, I have a very short song about Schlemiel.
No, no song now. Other people have.
Oh, you'll love this. You'll love it. It's a short.
Another side.
Yeah, the other side. Other people have questions. So, Louisa, Eileen, and Rochelle.
So what does the word Tzatske, where is it?
Excellent. Yeah, that's what I was.
Tell me again. What is
Isn't it Tchotchke?
Atzatske.
It's Satske.
It's difficult to translate it, Skatske.
It's like a piece of work.
A piece of work is a good translation.
She's usually a woman. She's a real Satske. She thinks she's really something else, but she isn't.
Piece of work is good.
Yeah, but it's describing the furniture, and it just seems out of place to describe furniture as a spatula.
It just means something special, something real special.
Oh, okay.
But in a derogatory way.
Yes.
No, she loves her furniture. Tzatske, she has the best in Mexico.
Okay.
Oh, at Tzatske?
Tzatske, the best.
Yeah, because I've often used it. It's a plaything, nothing serious, or a woman of ill repute.
That's what it is usually. Okay, so Rochelle.
Yeah, again, Tzatskala, woman of ill repute was the way I learned it, and a Tzatskala, I don't know. It just that for me, it doesn't fit in that sentence. But Maurice explained it in a way that makes sense.
Okay. Elaine.
What does treffen sich mean?
Where is it?
Treffen. See,
To
treff ich
find.
by. I'm sorry.
To find. Treffen is to find.
To find. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, so let's stop here, guys, because it's already 12 o'clock and we will continue to read it next time. So, Marie, if you
I'm
can.
saving where we stopped.
Okay,
for
so
next
if you
time.
have any more questions or comments about the story.
I
No
love
question?
it. I love it. It's hilarious, but she's a character. She's just not somebody you would like to run into, but there's plenty of them around, that are busy showing themselves off and boasting about themselves.
But it's also showing who they really are.
Yeah. But we don't usually read stuff like this. We read about the poor people that are hurting and have, you know,
Yeah.
in the shuttles. She's like this nouveau riche, fancy
Exactly.
woman that's
Exactly.
making
She's
bad,
better than everyone else.
showing everybody else how much better she is than
But
them.
it's making her miserable.
Yeah.
It's making her
Well, I
miserable.
don't really know. I think she just likes to complain a lot.
Yeah, she
Maybe.
likes to complain, yeah.
Maybe.
So that's the new generation of immigrants, the ones that got rich, you know, the ones that show off the riches. Yes, Susan.
But in Mexico, they developed with the new immigrants because it was a poor country. Some people were able to do very well, and there was a very rich class of Jews. So this must have been somebody who came as a poor person. She was a schmazel herself, and then she was able, with whatever skills they had from Europe, to make it, the family was able to make it rich in Mexico and live with maids and fancy houses. That was definitely a class thing in the Jewish Mexican
In
society.
other words, she forgot her humble beginnings.
Right.
Oh, no.
No, she didn't
reminded
forget
us.
them. She's laughing.
Yeah, she said when she used to cook by herself,
Oh, okay.
Right.
then it was good. Now it's not
Now
so good.
she's so unfortunate she has to eat with the servants cooking. It's not the
Right.
way it used to be when she
Right. Right.
Oy, oy, oy.
Yeah, Maurice. Rachel,
That's the right way to
I
look.
have a personal anecdote. If first the idea that you never wear the same dress to a different affair, and it was a family bar mitzvah, and I didn't have a lot of contact with my mother, but my mother walks in exactly the same outfit that I bought. We did not talk to each other, but you could just see that she was absolutely mortified that I was wearing the same outfit that she was wearing. And it was so funny because to me it was hysterical, and to her it was like such a terrible thing.
yeah. Okay, that's funny. Okay, Mari.
So I think my great aunt and her husband were in this position. I can't remember if he owned a jewelry store or if he was the one that ran the Yiddish newspaper in Mexico. We visited them in the 60s, and they lived in that district.
Polanco.
But what I want to say is that my great aunt found this young lady on the streets begging and brought her home and made her a servant, a maid, but took very good care of her whole life. She was in her 40s or something, the maid by then. But, just brought somebody in and took care of her and gave her a job, I mean, even if they were rich, they were trying to do good things. So,
Yeah, well, it depends on people, yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
It's a broad range. Yeah.
Okay, I think we had quite a lot of fun with this story. And
Oh, this was fun.
Yeah, we will continue to have fun with this. We will get
Right.
more serious when we get to Argentina. But
It's a much easier read than Shalom Aleichem, that's for sure.
of course, everything
Can I
is much
ask
easier.
another quick question? Mina, do you have to go, or you're
No,
not rushing
that's
off?
okay. I have a couple
Okay.
of minutes.
So when I was in Mexico, I went to look up Palenque, and yeah, it's still called the richest area of Mexico City. But I remember, I said, that's not the name I remember. And I think it was Londres. Isn't Londres where all the fancy shops are? Does anybody know Mexico City?
Londres is the name of a street. There were many nice neighborhoods, and Londres is one of the streets in the nice downtown area. Is that what you're talking
that's
about?
where I think we went to go shopping, Londres. I don't remember Palenque, but I looked it up. It's on the map. It's still called the richest part of Mexico City, but I don't remember hearing about it. I wondered if anybody else knew.
Jaime, a Mexican question. La calle Londres, ¿dónde está?
Londres está en la zona rosa.
Oh, it's in the Zona Rosa, which is
The Zona Rosa.
the nice
I remember
neighborhood.
the Zona Rosa and
The
Lodges.
Zona Rosa
Yeah,
has.
Zona Rosa is the nice commercial neighborhood.
Yeah.
So
Louisa,
Susan,
do
is
you
that where
know?
you grew up?
Yeah, not anymore. I stayed there often when I visited Mexico on business, and it was going down, down, down. I think Zona Rosa is kind of like, you wouldn't want to stay
Yeah,
there.
I heard it's now got like porn shops and that
Yeah,
kind of thing. Yeah.
it's
But
gone.
at that time, it was,
Yeah.
In the
oh, yeah,
60s, it was still good. And I remember we went to the Sanborns. Anybody remember the
Yeah.
Sanborns?
Yeah.
They're still
Sanborns
around.
all over Mexico City.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the hotel I stayed at the Sanborn was right below it. Was
Ah,
yeah, and yeah, it was great, but it started to get a little seedy. You know,
that's what always happens, like
Times
Times
Square did.
Square. Yeah.
Was this in Mexico City?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, Mexico City.
In the center.
Yeah,
Now
yeah.
Mexico City is like 5-10 times bigger than it was when I visited in the 60s.
Yeah,
This is the old downtown area where it started.
Okay, look,
if you like
Luisa?
people, Mexico City is a nice place to be.
Yeah, I've been to the Polanco area a few times, and in my recollection, it is mostly a residential place. I may be wrong,
Yes,
but
Polanco is mostly
Polanco is
Oh,
residential.
where
that's
they
not the
live.
shopping area. That's the
Oh.
the neighbor. Uh-huh.
The Zona Rosa, it
It's
is
where the
the
shops
shopping
are.
area, the high-end shopping area,
Yeah, now that
like
makes
Fifth
sense.
Avenue. It-
Polanco
That
is where
makes
they
sense.
live.
I got it. Okay.
Bob, it's the Third Avenue. Okay.
Thank you. I was sorry, that's a long time ago and I couldn't remember. First, I couldn't even remember the name of the area but I finally, Googled it and figured it out. Laundress was it.
Okay, guys, so
Thank you.
we will stop here and continue next
This was
time.
fun.
Next
Thank you.
time, I will be on my way to the airport. I can open the Zoom. Maybe I will already be at the hotel because we are leaving on the day afterwards very early in the morning. But if not, I think you can, Mariv, you can do it, yes?
Yep, sure. Yeah.
You can do it. If you cannot do the song, do just the reading. I might already be at the hotel, but I'm not sure because next Tuesday we are going to a hotel in the airport before coming back to Houston. So, and I see, Luisa, that you have electricity, so that's wonderful.
Gesund.
It's been
So-
hard. It's been very hard. A
Yeah.
lot of people have no electricity.
A lot of people didn't join us, if you see, because they
Yeah,
don't have
because-
electricity or
because-
internet.
Is that
Because
because is
Yeah,
that because it's so hot and the
No,
grid
it's
is?
the hurricane. It's the hurricane.
The hurricane.
Oh, the
we have to do
hurricane.
So,
Yeah.
okay, guys, so I hope to see you all next week. If not, Mariv, you can do it with the, Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye. See you all
Bye.
next
Thank
time.
you.
Bye.
Bye.